Kyungjin has been running. For over 40 years, Kyungjin has been manufacturing and supplying gear lever shift sub-assembled parts for gear shifter as a specialist. Kyungjin is running. Many global companies in automobile component business are recognizing that Kyungjin is a promising frontrunner who is actively bracing with automated production lines for the fourth industrial revolution. And Kyungjin will be running. For world people, all those can be enjoying their happiest life with the vehicles. We are a leader in the fourth industrial revolution for automobile component. Kyungjin Machine Company Limited. Since 1977, Kyungjin has been coming together with Korean vehicle history. A 40-year experience means the Kyungjin has been becoming a cornerstone of Korean auto industry, thanks to which we are now much proud of became a promising supplier of lever shift sub-assembled part for gear shifter of the vehicle. Especially, automated production lines made qualified products and now became a reputed world supplier who can serve for many global companies in the world automobile industry. Of course, we, Kyungjin, have certifications and some patents in production as well. Kyungjin, having long experience and skillful technology over the smart production lines, is really striving to expect further market share through the world. Auto lever shift sub-assembled part is used for the gear shifter of the vehicle, which has an auto transmission, which has required skillful technologies in production. While manual lever shift sub-assembled part of gear shifter is connected with manual transmission, which has also required precise and high skill during the process to make parts soft function in shifting. This lever shift linkage sub-assembled part of the shifter is also connected with manual transmission, but the function of the part should be enough durable and sustainable from the high-performed vehicles like sporty cars, for which parts should be made as powerful but with soft operating condition and free from severe vibration. Electronic shift sub-assembled part is assembled with E-Shifter, that being shifted by electronic system. As time goes on, the production volume of this sub-part will be surely increasing to meet the coming fashion in car industry. As others we produce, there are pad assembly for pedal and inner metal part for engine mounting bush, which have been supplying to global companies about 10 years ago. Kyungjin is the first challenger to invest in developing a full automated production line in the same business field of the world. Through the Smart line, we could be more competitive in quality, price, delivery service. Not this assembly line, but also we have invested the same automated workflows for the sub-processes to have qualified and massive components. The car should be convenient. The car should be comfortable. And all the space given in the car should be filled with happiness. Please imagine if people all around the world will be happy with the car which has our component. For making our dream to be seen actually as soon as possible, we, Kyungjin, will be never stopped going forward.